Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and this is my morning video for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget to check out my daily weekday live streams that I do at 6 p.m. GMT time. So otherwise, the pound has been drifting up pretty strong, as you can see. We never did hit this 161% Fibonacci extension, which is my target for this flat right here, because it definitely looks like a higher high. This looks to me like a wave A. It looks like we're already in a wave C. Now we're right at structure right now, so if it breaks above structure, then I'm going to say it's a complete ABC, and I will definitely start looking for logs after the break of structure and after the pullback. But because we never hit that 161% Fibonacci extension target, which should be a target for the wave C, the 161.8 or the 178.6, I think there's a pretty good chance we are going to make another leg down, probably to hit one of these two levels, if not both of them, before we potentially do end this ABC correction and before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. So be very, very careful. I'm not really convinced that this is the continuation of the uptrend. I think we're going to have another leg down. But if you do go up to the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, I'm definitely very, very bullish still. I still think we are going to make our way up to this 78%. I actually think eventually we're going to make our way up and take out the previous highs, but I think the 78.6% is a very, very, very likely target for this move. So down here on the sort of time frames, keep an eye out for another sort, maybe down to the 161, 178. If it does break structure to the upside with momentum, then after the pullback that comes next is where I would be looking for logs for a much safer entry to the long side. I still think it's more likely it's probably going to make another leg down to the 161, 178% Fibonacci extension to finish off this wave C, though. So don't forget to check out my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.